Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fireworks using Stardust plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, press OK, go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it fireworks. Fireworks. Then press OK. Go to effects and presets and type Stardust. Drag and drop and yes. First I'll go to emitter and I'll change particles per second to 0. Okay, and I'll go to presets browse and click and I'll go to fire and smoke, double click and double click on fireworks, and this is all fireworks here. Okay, let me try this one. Let's try this. Add and yes, another one. Also fire and smoke, double click and also fireworks and okay, this one. Add. Yes, it looks very good. Okay, another one. Again, fire and smoke, fireworks and this. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.